Okay, so this is the next tutorial, WordPress tutorial 6, and we're going to be looking at how to go social, how to share your blog, how to connect with others, how to get people to come to your blog, and so forth. So the first and most obvious place to go social is Facebook. What you first need to do is go to facebook.com, www.facebook.com, and then if you do not have an account, you need to sign up. If you do, you simply just sign in with your username and password, and oh, looks like that's not my password. What is my password? Okay, yes, there we go. Right, so you log in, and what we're going to be creating is a page. You need to create a page for your blog. Okay, so on the left hand side you will see there's groups, and then there's pages. So you simply do not need to click on pages, you just click on create a page right over there. Create page, click on that. Okay, then you can choose what type yours is. I would say that it is, I guess we can call it a brand or product. Okay, so we click on brand or product, we choose the category, and we can say whatever, you choose whichever category you need to. In this case, I think I'll just choose website, and then you type in your name, that's my one, marketer. Okay, and then we say get started. Let's see what happens. Okay, now you need to type in a description for your website. Okay, so you can probably use something similar to what you used in the about page of your actual blog. So you go to your about page, and you can just probably copy, but not obviously. Okay, you go there. Okay, so it's actually something smaller, right? Okay, so we can't just copy that because you see you only have 155 characters. So you need to almost summarize this. So we can say, okay, maybe we just take this bottom line, which is like a summary. Okay, for movie marketers melting under the pressure of the growing movie mayhem, you just use that. Right, then we put in the website address. Okay, it's moviemarketer.wordpress.com. Pop it in there, copy and paste. Okay, we just need to take that out. Control C and Control V is to copy and paste. Choose a unique Facebook web address to make it easier for people to find your page. Once this is set, it can only be changed once. So let's make it movie marketer. Right, let's see. Is movie marketer a real business or product? A business, brand, product or brand? Yes, it's a brand. And we say, are we going to say yes? Will movie marketer be authorized and official representation of this business, product or brand? Yes. Okay, and then we say save info. Okay, and it's busy saving, it seems. Give it a moment. Okay, right, now we need to choose a profile picture. So we can use a similar profile picture to what we used here. Right, so we just look for it, upload from, or you can import from a website. Right, if we copy that We'll import images from your website, and you can choose one. So we can even say use that. We just import from here. Let's see what happens. Import. Let's see, we found one image. Please choose one to represent your page. It seems to be taking a little bit of time. Let's see if it's the one that's on the home page. Not sure, but okay, let's go back. Well, let's click on that again, profile picture. Upload from computer, that one doesn't seem to be working. And then we go back to our page, movie marketer, images, and we just choose the same image. Open. And it should upload. And there it is uploaded, and so we say next. And we can add your page to your favorites to easily access it anytime. Wonderful, we add to favorites. That means it will just come on the left hand side of your Facebook page. Okay, then we say next. Share Movie Marketer. Encourage your friends and subscribers to like Movie Marketer by sharing it on your timeline. The more people your page is connected to on Facebook, the more people will comment and share your content. So that's what you got to do now. You got to share your page. Although we can actually skip that, and then you can just write something about it. Check out my new blog page. Lots of great articles and resources for movie marketers. Oops. Movie marketers. Okay, and then you can choose where you want to post it. You can either post it on your timeline for all your friends, or you can post it on a friend's timeline, but you wouldn't want to do that, or in a group or on a page. But on the whole, you'll probably want to post it on your own timeline, so you can just keep that ticked, and then you can say shared page. Now I'm not going to do that right now because this is not essentially a real website or a real blog. It is just an example, but in your case you will share it, okay, for the people to come and like your page. So I'm just going to say cancel for now, and then I'll just say skip. Alright, and there's the page. And as you can see, the first post is that we changed our profile picture. You can invite people, specifically like friends, to come and check it out. Whoops, okay, now it's going to give some info, getting around everything you need to manage your page in just these three tabs. Okay, so if we can say next, that's going to give me some more tips. Like Movie Marketer, show support for the work you've done. Okay, so you can like even your own page. Okay, but I'll say skip for now. The most important things: how many people have read your messages and your notifications. Invite your email contacts, right? You can build an audience by inviting people that are maybe not on Facebook, and so forth, right? Now you can do things like you can change your cover photo. Okay, so let's choose one. No, we're not choosing one from there. Upload a photo, that's right. Okay, and let's use that one. Open. See what happens. Okay, there we go. There's a lovely photo. We can even drag it depending on where we want it. We'll just leave it like that. Save changes. And there we go. Oops, okay. It has now saved it. Yes, there we go. Okay, as you can see, there's the profile photo. And now you can add things. This is your timeline. You can upload things as you go along, like your newest blog posts and other various things that you want people to read about or to click through to your blog. You can also change things in your about section, right? By clicking on edit. You can also edit that. You can edit everything really here. You can upload photos. You can even manage tabs by adding new tabs here, like even your CV you can add here. Let's just see if it will go through. Okay, not yet. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working now, but anyways, you can manage your tabs using that button. You can also check out things like your activity, how many people have liked, how many people have commented. Well, there will be no notifications right now, but you'll see them pop through here once people start interacting on your page. And then you can also check your settings, right, like your page information, and there's various many settings that you can change here: age restriction, country restriction, tagging ability, and so forth, right? But we're not going to go through that now. You can edit all of that on the side here. Okay, now once you've created a page and you've uploaded it with various things, how do you connect it to your blog? Well, we'll look at that now. Okay, so you go to your dashboard of your blog, right, over here. As you can see, some people have been viewing, no doubt many of you, or some of you, I can see there 3 views. Here's 2 views for these various days. People have been viewing the blog, and I can even click on those. And it should show me various things. Okay, like what did they click on? Did they use any search engine terms? Did anyone refer them? And so forth. But we can look at that in greater detail going forward. Okay, but first back to the dashboard. We want to first connect our Facebook page to the blog. So we go to Appearance and we go to Widgets. Right, those are the things on the right hand side and left hand side of the blog, and sometimes at the bottom as well. Okay, so on your left hand side you can see widgets that are available. You scroll down to where it says Facebook like box, you drag it and you drop it in whichever one you want it to be in. Okay, we'll just put it on the left hand side for now, sidebar 1. Okay, we'll call this movie movie marketer Facebook page, and then we have to put in the URL here. Okay, so we copy that URL, Control C, go back to widgets, Control V. Okay, we can also change the size that we want it, what color scheme. We can show faces, all kinds of various options that you can play with, but let's just click save for now. Okay, that should be saved, and if we refresh here, it should come up on the left hand side. Let's scroll down and see what happens. There we go, Movie Marketer Facebook page. And now when people visit your website or your blog, they can like your page, and so you can grow the influence of your blog. Also, people can now click through to that page, and people from your Facebook page can click through to your blog, and so you're linking many more people to your blog. Okay, and that is how you connect Facebook to your blog. I trust that it will serve you well in bringing a lot of traffic to your blog.